Okay, so this is going to be a rainbow eyes tutorial. First, we're going to take the NYX Jumbo Pencil in white in milk and put it all over the crease and blend it out properly. Now we're going to take the BH Party Girl palette and we're going to take that yellow at the top and we're going to place it in the inner portion of the eyes. Now from this miscellaneous palette, I'm going to take a yellowish green and apply it and blend it with the yellow. And now from that same palette, I'll be taking a darker green and blending it in with the green that we just placed. Remember to go over the colors and ensure that they are blended properly. Now we'll be placing a blue color in the outer portion of the eye and creating a V-like shape. Here we'll be dragging that same blue down to the outer portion of the lower lash line. Now we'll be blending a purple color into that blue in the middle portion of the lower lash line. Last, for the lower lash line area, we'll be applying a orange color, blending it in with the purple. So here we will just be blending out the edges of the colors and applying a dark brown to the crease. So here I'm just applying some more eyeshadows to each section to get the intensity that I desire. Now we'll be adding black eyeliner to the lash line, lower and upper lash line, and apply mascara to the lashes. Now apply your liquid or cream foundation and set with powder. Now we'll be applying a orange blush to the cheek and ensure that you blend properly. For the lips, I'll be applying a dark brown lip liner, then apply a pink lipstick, then I'll be applying a nude lipstick and finishing that off with a peach lip gloss.
And that's it.
Alright, como photoshoot time.